in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Bluetooth microphone to your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, you want to select the devices category and select add device. Select Bluetooth near the top, and then make sure your microphone is configured to your network settings and that's discoverable. And then it should populate in this list, and you just would follow through with the on-screen guide, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.